Hello everyone and welcome back to the 1980s, where hair just can't get big enough. Today in this video, I am going to be showing you an awesome 80s look from the costume to the makeup. So if you have a themed party to go to, an 80s retro party, any kind of thing where you need to dress 80s and have the full hair, makeup, costume look, then this video is for you. I'll teach you how to do this makeup look and where to get this awesome costume. So first, let's talk about my hair. So I crimped it. You can do big curls. Crimped hair, of course, was super popular in the 80s. And like I said, get that hairspray out because the bigger, the better. So to start with, you have to have a huge bow because it wouldn't be the 80s without over-the-top accessories. So everything I'm wearing is from the CostumeBox, which is your one-stop shop for any type of costumes you could ever want. They have over 25,000 products on their website. They ship worldwide. They also have over 400 exclusive costumes and wigs that you can only buy at the CostumeBox, including what I'm about to show you in a minute. And you can also get free 100-day returns if you're not completely satisfied. But what I have chosen to wear is this awesome black lace bow. If you're also going for a Madonna look, this bow would be perfect. And then I have this super fun off-the-shoulder top. Let me zoom you out and get a good look at it. So I chose this awesome, bright, vibrant, over-the-shoulder t-shirt. This is so comfy. It's great fabric. I love how bold it is. And it says, I love the 80s. So you could totally keep it at this t-shirt. It fits great. I absolutely love it. Even just for fun, if you're a teacher and you need to go to school and have a little theme day, this works perfectly. But if you want to amp it up a little bit, they also have this awesome pastel windbreaker. It is the best. It comes in a tracksuit, and this is one of the exclusive items that you can only buy at the CostumeBox. I love this. Like, can I just wear this on a normal basis? Like, do I even need a reason to wear this? It's such great quality, like doesn't feel like a costume at all. It feels like I just went and grabbed this out of my mother's closet. And when she first saw me in this, she was like, I totally wore that in the 80s. High collar, super thin fabric. I'm gonna have to wear this out. I'll model a full tracksuit for you in just a minute. I mean, look at how incredible this is. Like, I would wear this out on a normal basis. I just absolutely love it, and I think you guys will too. Okay, so starting off with a fresh face, I'm gonna go in with foundation first. You wanna choose a hydrating or dewy foundation, as that was the look of the 80s. I am going in with a damp beauty sponge and applying that all over my face. And I'm just blending it out here, as you can see. Typically in the 80s, people went for a lighter foundation than their skin tone. That was just the popular look of the time. I didn't really own one, but you can decide that on your own. Next, going in with concealer. Concealer was very popular and it was packed on. So I'm putting this underneath my eyes, any blemishes that I have, any redness, really making sure I have a flawless base. Again, just pack it on and then blend that out with the damp beauty sponge that we used earlier. This will just make sure everything is concealed and glowing and we have the perfect base for our makeup. I am now going in with a little bit of powder. Like I said, the dewy look was in the 80s, but I do want to just set where I put that concealer so the makeup look lasts all night or all day, whatever you need it to last for. And just keep packing that on and just giving a nice even base. Now on to brows. Brows in the 80s were very, very natural, but also very thick. So kind of think thick, bushy, natural. They didn't really do too much to them. It was just kind of whatever you naturally had worked. They weren't plucking them or anything. So I'm just filling them in because I wanted them to look bushier. So I'm really just packing that color on in this. Then I'm going to go in with a brow gel. This is going to bring the hairs and stick them straight up. I wanted to have that Brooke Shields big fluffy eyebrow look, and this definitely does the trick. So just take any brow gel you have and use upward strokes to kind of get those hairs standing up to look more natural and less precise. And just cleaning that up just a little bit to make sure they're not too crazy. There is a balance even in the 80s. Next, I'm taking an eyeshadow primer because we are going in with bright colors and we're gonna want them to last all day. If you don't have an eyeshadow primer, you can just use the same concealer you use as a base on your eyelids. That works just as well. Perfect. Now I'm going to take a white cream eyeshadow. This is going to act as an extra base to make sure those bright colors pop. This is an easy makeup artist trick to kind of give a great contrast to any bright colors and make sure that they really, really stand out as opposed to blending into your skin tone. So I'm just blending that out with a fluffy brush, just so that we have a nice even base for us to put those bright colored eyeshadows on top. Now I'm going in with a medium tone pink. This is kind of a peachy pink. It is a matte shade. I'm using a big fluffy brush and just using this as our crease color. While blending wasn't very popular in the 80s, I do want to get a little blend going, so that's what I did. Now into the color. Bright colors were so popular in the 80s. The popular colors were fuchsia, oranges, purples, and electric blue. And it was about color blocking. So basically that means how many colors can you get on your eyes at one time. So I am taking a neon orange and putting that in my inner corner. But you can use any combination of bright colors, but I would say choose about 3 bright colors you like and work with those. So I'm just blending that out. Now I'm going in with a hot pink, and I'm gonna put this on the outer corner. So I want pink and orange on my lids. And you take this color pretty high up into the crease. Definitely nothing subtle about these eye looks. You wanted people to notice the colors in the 80s. So I'm just packing on that hot pink, blending it out a little bit, and also buffing it outwards and upwards. Again, you just wanna make sure that color shows. Now going in with an electric kind of teal blue. Electric blue was probably the most popular color in the 80s, but I've decided to go with it on my lower lash line. Like I said, take 3 colors and run with them. So I'm just putting on this electric blue underneath my eyes and then blending that out with a softer, fluffier brush just to really kind of smoke it out and make it dramatic. Now into eyeliner, I am just going to use a black liquid liner and lightly line my upper lids. Like you can see here, a tiny little flick. That's all we need. Now we're going to curl your eyelashes and apply false lashes if you want. You don't have to. I went for these big fluffy ones because I just thought they complemented the look and were a little bit over the top. I loved them. Then blue mascara. You cannot have an 80s look without blue mascara. This was so popular, but since I did falsies, I decided just to put the blue mascara on the bottom, but you can also use it on the top. Now into blush. Heavy, heavy blush was so popular in the 80s. Bright pinks and even red blushes were popular, and they were more angular. You didn't really put them on the apples of your cheeks. It was more your cheekbones up into your temples, as you can see me doing here. And again, just layer it up, pack it on. You need that blush noticeable. That was the popular look. So I am just packing this up, making sure it is very vibrant and that you can see it from space. Again, add more. When in doubt, just keep going. Perfect over the top blush look. I'm also gonna add a little bit of glitter highlighter. They probably wouldn't use highlighter, but I just wanted to make those cheeks pop even more. And who doesn't love a little glitter on your cheekbones? I mean, look at that. It really just adds to the pink, adds to the over-the-topness, adds to the drama. I love it. Onto lips. Pink was the most popular lip color, so I'm just lining my lips with a hot pink lip liner. You can skip this step if you don't like to use lip liner, but I just like to define my lips a little bit more. Then going in with the hottest pink that I could find Whatever you have, the brightest pink you have is perfect. Gloss was also extremely popular, but I didn't use that. But definitely add some gloss if you're feeling extra dramatic and just pack it on top of that hot pink. And this is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Totally 80s. Thank you guys so much for watching that tutorial. I really hope you found it easy and that you can pair this makeup look with the CostumeBox costumes at your next Halloween party, 80s theme party, whatever you feel. I might just start wearing this look to the grocery store. Don't forget to check out the CostumeBox where you can grab these awesome 80s costumes. Like I said, I think this jacket is just gonna be me every day, especially with this headband. I just think it's awesome. I feel confident in this and I feel totally 80s. Bye.